Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to tell you what we're going to do with all of that.
And that.
Hi everybody. With my recent change of content on this channel of including my gardening with my crafty stuff, I decided why not make a decoration for my fence. I pulled out a bunch of items that I think that I can use, and I'm going to be decorating these canvas letters. They have these little things on the top here. I'm going to prime all these with latex house paint. Then I'm going to seal this up with glue or caulking and add all of these different types of embellishments and have a bit of fun. So sit back, relax, check out what I create, and hopefully you enjoy it. I have successfully placed 2 coats of paint on all of the letters. You can see that most of the gaps are filled in. I have a dilemma. Do I decorate the letters individually and make every single one different? And by that I mean different colors, different textures, or do I decide on a design and create that design using, I don't know, I may have to do some sketches. So I think I'm going to take a few minutes and see what I come up with. My plan of doing multiple colors didn't work out because when I went to grab my paints, I realized I had an excessive amount of pink, and I still have an excessive amount of pink. So I thought, well, why not just make them all pink? But all of the letters have been painted. I'm going to get started decorating and we'll see where that takes us. it straight? I hope so. Duct tape. The best. Oh my gosh. This is very stressful. Man, I should have put the thing through there first. Nope, it's not coming off. Oh, I started it crooked.
Stick with it, girl. You got this.
Well,
it's still a little crooked, but that's all right.
All right, you guys, the H, look at that. That's so cute. I like that. Oh, shut up. I can't believe I just did that. Why do I do this all the time? I'm always doing something stupid. I can't believe I forgot they weren't on there. Why? Why? Why do I do this? Now I gotta figure out where they all go again. This will be fine. Did I drop any more that I'm missing? Oh! There's always one more. That one's done too. Okay, I like duct tape, but it is not easy to cut. Got one done. Ugh. This works the best. Pull it tight. Make sure your scissor is away from the sticky. The E is done.
Fabulous!
Just a little clear Mod Podge. Hopefully it dries clear. There could be a mutiny on my hands of me being upset with myself. These are all done, and I have attached every single sequence with hot glue. The last thing I would want to have happen is a bird pecking these sequins off or having any kind of sequence fall off in my garden. I'm debating putting some kind of Mod Podge or Elmer's glue or varnish over these, but I need to test a small area, so I'm gonna work with what I have. -7 degrees. They'll hang like that, so the nails have to come out quite a bit. I can't see it. My glasses are fogged up. Is it straight? I don't know. Nope, it's gonna be okay. When it's warmer, we'll straighten it out. Those glasses, I can't see anything. Nope, I can't. Yep, it's cold out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's frozen. Let's get that off of there so a girl can see while she's hanging her garden stuff. Let's warm up the hands, because did I say it was -7? Ah, yeah. Those hands are cold. Okay, well, you can see I got one word up there, and I think it'll look good there once I straighten it all up in the spring. And hopefully this is still recording me, because I would never want to come out here and do this again. I think my hair is frozen. Yep, my hair is frozen. I gotta try it with the gloves on now, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose my fingers. Oh yeah, check out that, hey. Yeah, my glasses are fogging up again. Oh, I got a hole in my pocket, so I don't know where those nails went. Okay then. Oh yeah. Hold on. You got to stop doing this because I can't see nothing. I was gonna put this on my fence, but the snow's much deeper over there. And I don't know if I want to keep it on my fence. This has an eave up here. It'll keep the snow and I can't get my glasses on. I have too many face masks on. Okay, let's just try this one more time. All right, it should be a little higher. Nope, I still can't find that ampersand. Yep. Okay, we have 3 more to go, which is good because I'm pretty sure that certain parts of my body, there's crystallization going on. I'll start over here so it kind of goes down. Yeah. I'm afraid if I hit my finger right now, I wouldn't feel it. Get ready, because your eyes are gonna be sparkly, sparkly. Look at that. Oh, it needs to go up. That's much better, eh? And it needs to be over a little bit. Yeah, we're not gonna worry about that right now. These are the sacrifice artists make, you know? YouTubers. I have to finish my video. What do you think the next letter is? I'm getting so excited. I'm putting on my gloves for this. Are you ready? My glasses are fogging up. I can't see it. Oh, I like it.
It's cookie.
Yep. Let's see what you guys can see. Heck yeah, you can see it. Maybe not so much through there. Hope, art, and God. That's what matters. Well, and getting warm. That's for sure. This is my decorative art piece for my garden in the spring. Oh, I can't even right now. Hope, art, and God. I can't see anything right now. I look better over here. Why am I out here? Well, I really like this against the wood. Very nice. Okay then, let's get you situated so you can see it head on now. I mean those pretty pictures, you know. Holy icicle. What the heck is going on there? Check out that icicle.
That could probably impale somebody.
Yep. Hope, art, and God. Thanks so much for tagging along. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.
If you want to see what else I create on this channel, consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer.